YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J. Today we talking about some Pepe and we talking about some Bitcoin. But before we get into that, I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J, and we just talking about some Pepe today. So don't buy anything you see in this video, okay? As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 3.47. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 65, and our market cap starting to take off a little bit, which is pretty exciting to see. It's exactly what we needed to see today. Bitcoin seeing a big break up to the upside, but did we see a rejection at this 10K zone, or can we break out? It's really going to be decided probably. I honestly think it's going to probably be decided either today or tomorrow. More than likely, I think tomorrow. I think there's a chance that we just kind of go sideways today, and then tomorrow maybe we'll see a big pump, or maybe not. Maybe we'll create a shoulder head shoulder and see a drop down. Either one could really happen, but again, Bitcoin is starting to look like it wants to turn around, right? Possible double bottom here, possible, forming a cup and handle here, but at the same time, look, we formed a rising wedge here, and we're still not out of the woods yet, right? We are looking pretty positive, but again, still establishing lower highs right now until we see a breakout to the upside. So I want to know, is Bitcoin going to continue this rally, or is Bitcoin about to start capitulating and dropping, right? Some people saying BTC is surging higher than a higher height. Beautiful investment by Ukraine officially introducing the bill, talking about Bitcoin. Um, interesting. Trump's family mining firm America acquires $23 million worth of BTC. Interesting. I don't know that that's true. You gotta fact check all this stuff. Always be fact checking stuff, guys. I mean, we hear about a lot of stuff, especially on this little comment section. I'm not sure how true it is. It says President Trump called for the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates by 1 full point. I think that if that happens, then that would be what we kind of need to happen. I was seeing a couple months ago that my prediction is, we lower rates and then, give some stimulus checks to stimulate the economy. That's what stimulus checks are for. They're for to stimulate the economy. But again, I don't know, maybe not a stimulus check at a price like this, but maybe a stimulus check at a lower price might be necessary if the market's just lacking in volume. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think that we need some stimulus? I think we need it. I'm never opposed to some free money. You know what I'm saying? But again, I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work out though. Too much civil unrest right now. I feel like it might be. They might want to not give us the stimmies. They might want to punish. At least in California. I'm in California, so. But as you guys can see, PEPE Coin coming in at big number 26 today, right? Total market cap coming in at 5.5. PEPE Coin seeing some shine. 24-hour volume down just a bit, but is starting to get a lot of these longs rolling in now. Interesting. Is PEPE Coin going to also see a big turnaround? This guy seems to think so. Some people saying PEPE Coin rebounding from support. Interesting. Somebody said, are you ready to claim the sky? I don't even know what that means. Lingrid. Lingrid is what kind of name is Lingrid? What the? It's like a Russian name or something. Lingrid. I don't want to click on your profile, Lingrid. I'm sorry. But again, can PEPE Coin break out to new all-time highs? Somebody said it's a wild ride, trading hot spots. Interesting. Definitely told you guys that I was looking to be picking up PEPE Coin on these dips. I like Pepe. I do think that Pepe has a chance to hit a new all-time high. That doesn't necessarily mean it's for sure going to happen, but I think Pepe got a shot, man. Look at this all-time chart. Look at this, man. Pepe going to see a breakout? If Pepe sees a breakout, man, this is a pretty big gap to fill. I think this thing could really start running. This may be that outlier coin. This may be that Shiba Inu type coin that, just makes a wave with retail. We watch what happened with SHIB, right? We watch what happened with Pepe. Shoot, Pepe hit up to like $11 billion, So again, can Pepe do it again? Can it go higher than 11 billion? Are you holding Pepe? Let me know in the comment section. Somebody just asked me just the other day. They said, I'm thinking about getting some crypto. What should I get? And I always tell you guys, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to buy. Don't buy anything that you see on this channel. I like Pepe personally. That's what I like. But you shouldn't buy something just because a YouTuber likes it. You should buy it because you like it, right? Some of you guys have been long on Pepe for a long time. We've been talking about Pepe on this channel now for years, since like 2023 now, which is crazy to say because, again, I remember when this coin was just like the new coin and everybody was so speculative on it. A lot of people thought it was a scam. A lot of people thought it was going to go down. They didn't trust some of the contract and stuff like that. And here we are, Pepe, listed on a lot of the biggest exchanges, pretty much on all the biggest exchanges, right? It's on Binance, on KuCoin, Kraken, it's on crypto.com, it's on Coinbase, on everything. It's hard to stay away from Pepe. It's literally everywhere. So again, and they still have under 500,000 holders on Pepe. So that makes me feel like Pepe Coin can still see some upside. It makes me feel like this coin can still have some promise. But ultimately, guys, it's going to be speculative. This thing could go crash and burn for all I know. And, maybe we create a rising wedge here, start seeing stuff. I don't know what's going to happen, right? Maybe this thing sells down. But either way, it's one coin that I'm definitely paying attention to every single dip and watching. And it's one coin that, again, I'm looking to acquire at the cheapest price possible. So we'll see if we will see a cheaper price, or we'll see if Pepe Coin will be off to the races. But I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.